Polly's new version is kind of extraordinary because it's totally updated and it's totally modern.
A play like Miss Julie that was originally dealing with class is now also dealing with class, but also dealing with race.
It's such a like a little microcosm of what Britain is.
Ultimately, the play is about dynamic and relationships between these three really powerful characters. And Julie is sort of at the centre of it, and she's wild, which I love about her.
Christina, she's Brazilian and has moved to work for Julie, doing everything in the house, really. It puts a very fine line on what it is to work for someone and what it is to be friends with someone.
Well, Jean is like a quote-unquote migrant worker, but he's from what you would class as an affluent class where he's from.
Jean is her dad's driver. There is this amazing electricity and charge and this, not just sexual, but also a sense that these two people would be really amazing together. And in the heat of this night, it all goes down basically between the two of them.
There are a lot of female warriors in our rehearsal room.
I just feel like I'm just working with amazing people in the room.
I think what I'm really, really thrilled about with Carrie and Polly is they're kind of rigorous in their need for it to be immediate and for us to relate and for it not to seem like of a time as opposed to now.